Promise, okay? Just the three of us, no Abby, no Rico. Yeah, we've been friends so long, so let's keep it that way. Of course, nothing can break us. Guys, it's recess time. Don't you want to go out? I'm still tired. Maybe Arsaya will go. No, I'm full. Okay, I'll go alone then. Do you want me to buy something for you? I don't have anything to buy. I don't know about it. Nothing for me too. Okay, bye. Bye. Look, they're having so much fun together. Yes, but it seems like we won't last long.
Let's make a plan to ruin their friendship.
Yes, let's use Normaisa.
Hey, Normaisa!
You're really fun to be around. Come, hang out with us.
Yeah, we should totally be friends.
So let's be friends.
Sure, I guess that's fine.
So let's go there.
Their trio is too perfect. Normaisa only belong to them. Let's make her see that they aren't worth her trust. Make her doubt them.
Perfect. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Normaisa, we don't want to hurt you, but we heard Arsaya said you're too clingy.
What? Arsaya would never say that.
She did. Hana did too. They think you're always upwarded.
Honestly, they don't deserve your loyalty.